Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at busyjoyhustle.com. So today I'll be showing you how to start up a YouTube channel in 2022. YouTube is the largest social media network that allows you to give you enough room to produce content, video content, and share with your audience, and is the second largest search engine in the whole world apart from Google. So people go to YouTube every day and on search for content that you can think about. So you can utilize this opportunity and open account with them and make some money on YouTube. YouTube pays their creators, people that create video on YouTube every month, every 21st of every month. I will show you a lot of some payments made by YouTube and AdSense. You understand? So YouTube, the duration of this short video, I'll be guiding you through some requirements that you need. They are very easy. Then the second one that I'll be touching is the equipment that you need to start up a YouTube channel. Then the next is the softwares that you can use. Then fourth is how to sign up on YouTube. It's very easy. Then the last but not the least is how to upload your first video, and we move. Then if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I post an awesome video like this. So let's move over to my screen and get started. Welcome back. So the first on our list is the requirement to start up a YouTube channel. The requirement is not that much. The requirement is not that much. If you have your Gmail account, you are good to go. So for any Gmail account you have, Google already have a YouTube account for you. There are some softwares that Google attribute to any Gmail account, and one of them is a YouTube channel. So once you have your Gmail, your Google Gmail account, you are good to go. So you can open up a YouTube channel with just your Gmail account. Then the next is your mobile phone. If you have your mobile phone, this is just that. This is what you need in 2022. Then you can go further and have a system and all that. But for now, what you just need is your Gmail account. That's the only requirement. That's the only criteria for you to open up a YouTube channel. So now, and I hope that almost everybody that have a mobile device has a Gmail account. So nothing is stopping you on signing up on YouTube. So the second in our list is the equipment. So and the equipment that you need to start up a YouTube channel, one of them is a microphone. You need a microphone because your audio need to be sharp. You need a microphone, then you still need a camera. But once you have your mobile phone, all these things are made available on your smartphone device. So once you have your smartphone, you don't need to bother because every Android device comes up with a good camera and a good microphone. So you don't need to stress yourself going out there to go and buy a new mic or a new camera. No, you can do that as time goes on. So you need to just use your phone, record yourself speaking or video yourself dancing, anything you can think about, just video yourself, then upload it on your channel. So the only device or the only equipment you need now is just that your smartphone. If you have a system, a laptop, that's okay. There are some software I will go, that's the next we are going to discuss. There are some software that are made available that you can use to integrate on your system or install on your system to make your life very easy. So that's the third on our list is softwares, and software helps you to achieve a lot. It makes your life easy, and there are types of softwares that you need to be able to achieve your aim in this journey of YouTube creation. The first is the audio software, then we have the video software, we have the photo software, then we have the video editing software. So we are going to go over it one after the other. So let me go to my web browser. So the first is video recording software. The first what I use, there are so many video recording software out there, but what I advise is OBS Studio. You can download this studio on Google, but I will drop in the link on the description below. this OBS, it comes with a lot of feature. For PS, for people using their personal computer, you can download this software. It helps you to record your screen, so you can still use the audio. You can still use the audio. The audio is still good. This is for screen recording software. Then for audio recording software, you can buy external microphone for that, but this too also helps you to do that. For audio, it has audio, inbuilt audio that you can use. So this too is well packaged. So the next is the video editing software. The editing software, there are so many video editing software out there. You can use your Adobe Premiere Pro for PC, then you can use your kinematics for mobile. There are so many tools out there, but what I use is Capwing. I use this software a lot. It's a web-based video editing software. There are so many things you can do with this. As you can see, I've already edited some videos here, and the tool is very easy to use. So I'll be dropping the link of this website on the description below. So it's very easy to use. If you need a detailed video on how to use this tool, then you can comment on the description, on the comment box below, and let me know so that in my next video I'll be producing a video on how to use this software to edit your videos. It's very easy. Then the next is the photo editing software. So what I use for photo editing software is Canva. There are so many tools out there that you can use. You have your Photoshop, you have your Illustrator, even you have your Sniper and all that software that are made available. But I choose Canva. I like Canva a lot. So I like using a web-based software. That's why I like, because of space storing those application on my system. But when I have used them on web based, I can access them anywhere, anytime that I want, even without my system. I can access them on other devices. That's why I like using web based applications. So that's that. The fourth on our list is how to sign up on YouTube. Sign up on YouTube is very easy and simple. So as I said, once you have your Gmail account, you can sign up. So go to your Gmail account. For me, let me sign up. This will be a practical video. So let me just sign up on any of my Gmail account so that we get started. It's still loading. So okay, this is my Gmail account. So let me sign up on YouTube. As you can see, you see YouTube icon here. To create any YouTube account, you will see create a channel. But if you have used this Gmail account to sign up for YouTube, you will not see this. But this is a fresh email for the purpose of this course. I have not used this before, so I'll just click on create account. So once you click on create account, then the next to do is to input your YouTube name. You can use your business name, or you can use your inch name. Inch is any area you want to specialize. So but for me, let me just use my name. Let me use my name for the purpose of this training. So then create channel. You can upload your profile piece if you need, but you can still do that later. That's how simple it is. So once you click on create your channel, it will automatically create your channel. Then you need to edit and customize your channel. Your channel is done. These are simple as ABCD. I have just created a YouTube channel with just my name. So the next thing to do is don't just leave your channel like this. You need to customize your channel. You need to add display image, add banner, add all those things. So just click on customize so that you can add some pictures on your channel, so that when people visit your channel, then they can have something. Your channel will look good. So when you click on customize, there are some features that you can be able to edit on this customization section. So let's start the customization process. So it's still coming. Okay, continue. Okay, so let's go to the basic information first. Because we don't have any video here, we don't have any video yet. So the best thing to do is to let's add our description. So you can just tell us what your channel is all about. You can even change the channel name. You can change the channel name if you wish. So description, anything that you want, you can put it on the description. Then you can select the language of your channel. If you want, you can select the language. Then the contact email is there because you sign up with your what email. So that's the contact email. So once you are done with this, then you can go to branding. Are you seeing? You can go to branding and upload a picture. If you want to design a picture, maybe a logo, you can still use Canva and design a logo for your YouTube channel, or you can use a logo maker. Just go on Google and search logo maker. You will see you can create a logo. Then you can upload that. Then you can upload a banner. Once you go to Canva, let's go to canva.com. When it opens, you search for YouTube banner. As you can see the size is 2048 by 1152 pixels. This is the font size for YouTube banner. So you can just go there, search for YouTube banner, YouTube banner. When you search for YouTube banner, let's know what I can see. Okay, YouTube channel, YouTube. Let me complete this YouTube banner. Okay, YouTube ad banner, YouTube video ad, YouTube. So let's go down. Know what I can see. There's supposed to be a YouTube banner. Okay, banner landscape. This is too small. YouTube channel logo. This is still too small. Ad display. Okay, this is okay. So we can still use this to create our banner. But there's supposed to be a banner of this size. So when you are designing your banner, make sure it's of this size. You copy this and set it up. Make the size to be like this. So you can do that. Edit your account very well so that it will look nice. So that's how simple it is to create a YouTube channel. The next on our list is uploading our first video. So when you newly create a YouTube channel, as you can see on our screen, there is no video here. This YouTube looks, there's no number here because we don't have any video yet. So it is very easy to upload a video on YouTube. As you upload your pictures, you post on Facebook. This is as easy as that. So there are so many ways that you can do that. The first, when you get to your studio, YouTube studio, you can download the YouTube studio app on your mobile to make it easy for you. You can click on upload, see this upload video here, or you can use this button here. You can use this button here, click on create. You see upload video. Once you click on upload video, then you select the video. Let's assume, okay, let me just select any video from my system. Let me select any. Let me look for a video there and select. Which video? Okay, let me use this video. This is my boss. Let me use this my boss video. So let me, but I will not publish it on my channel. This is just for practice. So it's still coming up. So once this upload, then you have other things to add on your video, on your channel, as you can see. So when saving your video, it's advisable that you save the video with the name of your name of the video that you want to upload, maybe the keyword that you have find that you want to do video on. So it's good that you save that video for SEO. I will be doing a proper video on SEO, YouTube SEO. So I'll be doing a proper video on that. This is just how to upload a video. So this is the title, so you can still change this title to anything. How to start a YouTube channel. Channel 2022. So just how to start a YouTube channel. YouTube channel 2022. Then you can add your description, anything. It will not be more than 5,000 words. Anything that you want to add, you can add it. Then you can upload a thumbnail. You can use your Canva to create a thumbnail. Then after that, you can choose a playlist. If you have a playlist, you can choose one, or you can create a playlist. So after that, you select your audience, that this is not for kids. If your video is not for kids, then you select it. Then there's no more thing to do. You add your tags and add your tags here. You can YouTube, so you can add as many tags as you want, up to 500 words. Up to 500 words, you can add tags. So after that, just select your language, English. Then there's no more thing else to do. Then you just click on next, because I didn't add any. That's why this video is not for kids. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, so you can add end screen. This is good for SEO, but if you don't, you can just, then you check. After checking everything, then you can click on next. After click on next, then you see, because my video is still uploading now, as you can see there, it's still 74%. That's why I cannot be able to publish this video. But once I click on next, you will see publish, then you publish your video. This is how simple it is to upload video on YouTube. So thanks for watching this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do it to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I produce an awesome video like this. Thanks.